In this video I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok videos. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok application and there hit at your profile icon. Now there scroll down your profile until you find video that you want to delete, then hit on that video, and now in order to delete that video all you have to do is to hit there at three dots icon and now there drag these options to the left until you find here this trash icon and just hit on that and then hit on delete to actually delete that video. Now as you see, that video has been deleted. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.